You see, the problem is that I didn't just want to dance. With the girls that I liked, I wanted to impress them. I was taking girls out to salsa parties to practice, only to see them taken over by other guys much more advanced in dancing than me. Also in the class I was feeling stupid. I did not have respect for myself because I could not follow the dancing instructions. All because I didn't have any practice before the course. I could see a video of a dance figure like 100 times, but when I had to do it myself I was blacking out. My mind would just shut down. I would stare at the girl, and I could read her mind screaming for help. My eyes would just get wide open and I would feel stuck and frozen. The more attractive the girl, the less impressive my performance. Desperation and frustration were washing over any other thoughts in that moment. It was so obvious that I could not hide it behind a hysteric laughter or smile. It was just visible, and hopeless, until I came up with a simple solution which changed everything entirely.